Hey everybody, I want to welcome you back to my channel, Diamondless Fireworks. Today's video probably could be on the classic and collectibles, but I'm not going to. I had this a long time ago. I forgot I actually had it. Looks like a Budweiser bottle, but it's the beer pack fountain. It's made by World Class, and yeah, it's definitely pretty cool. Give me a few minutes and see here. Forget how you light this. I believe you gotta pop the top off. I imagine so. And just give me a few minutes. I'll get it ready and then we'll get it lit. See what it does. Alright. Let's see how fast I am here. Well, that was pretty neat. A little short but sweet. Alright, hey, you know what? That was the beer pack fountain. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of it. But that was pretty neat. It does look like a Budweiser bottle though. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. I'll catch everybody in the next video.